હલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો,
આપણે ચેપ્ટર 2 કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દીધું છે.
આજે થોડાક એમસીક્યુ જોઈશું
અને એ છે લેક્ચર નંબર 7. એ પહેલા એક સમ લઈ લઈએ, આપણે ઉકેલ મેળવવા માટેનો એક વિદ્યાર્થીનો ડાઉટ છે એટલે લઈ લઈએ આપણે, પછી આપણે એમસીક્યુ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું. કે 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cos x. Solve this equation. આ સમીકરણ ઉકેલો. ચલા મિત્રો, સરસ. જો કેને રાખીએ tan inverse cos x plus tan inverse cos x, tan inverse cos x plus tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cos x. બરાબર. તો tan inverse x plus tan inverse y ની ફોર્મ્યુલા શું છે આપણી પાસે? That is tan inverse cos x plus cos x, tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is equal to tan inverse 2 cos x. अब બંને બાજુ આપણે tan લઈએ, tan of tan inverse આ કેટલા થશે? 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x એટલે sin square is equal to tan of tan inverse 2 cos x. Now tan inverse identity એટલે કેટલા મળશે ભાઈ? 2 cos x upon sin square x is equal to 2 cos x. આના પરથી મને શું મળશે? cos x upon sin square x is equal to 1 upon sin x. sin x cancel બનશે એટલે શું આવશે મારી પાસે? તો કે cot x is equal to 1 is equal to cot y by 4. sin x cancel. So x is equal to y by 4. અને MCQ માં પણ લઈ શકીએ. ખ્યાલ આવે છે? સરસ. હવે જોઈએ આજના MCQ થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. જો શું છે? sin of 3 sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to what? તો પહેલા તમારે sin inverse 1 by 3 બરાબર theta લઈએ. If we suppose sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to theta, so 1 by 3 is equal to sin theta. Now sin of 3 sin inverse 1 by 3 means is 3 theta. What is the formula of sin 3 theta? Recall that standard form. That is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3. Replace value of sin theta. 1 by 3 minus 4 1 by 3 whole cube. So what we get? 1 minus 4 by 3 is 9, 3 is 27. 27 minus 4 by 27. 23 by 27 is nothing but option C. Clear? Yeah. Let us see second one. See. Here sec square tan inverse 2 plus cos x square cot inverse 3. Very simple. sec square tan inverse 2 cos x square cot inverse 3. There, if it is a theta, sec square theta plus cosec square theta. But sec square can be converted in terms of tan square. So 1 plus tan square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square converted in terms of cot 1 plus cot square theta 1 plus cot square cot inverse 3 1 plus 1 that is 2 tan of tan inverse whole square tan of tan inverse 2 whole square plus cot of cot inverse 3 whole square. So that is equal to 2 plus that comes out 4 plus that comes out 9. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 9 15. Where is the option? A. But see, this one is the explanation step by step. See, now directly we can see that sec square means 1 plus tan square of tan inverse 2, that comes out 4 plus cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta cot of cot inverse 3 whole square, directly 9. 9 plus 10, 9 plus 1 10, 4 plus 1 5 50. But see, this is the explanation for theoretical part, and directly we can see in that way also. That means we have a good command over all trigonometric standard form as well as all properties of inverse trigonometric functions, then there is no problem. ત્રિકોણમિતિના બધા સૂત્રો ઉપર કમાન્ડ હોય અને પ્રતિવિધેયના જે કન્સેપ્ટ છે આપણા એ બધા તમને ફૂલી ફાવતા હોય તો કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ આવશે નહીં. વેરી ઇઝી છે. નેક્સ્ટ જો વેરી સિમ્પલ. cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. Now see, cos inverse of cos something is equal to something. Something belongs to 0 to pi. Then and then this thing is there. Same way, let us recall all forms. Sin inverse sin some angle is equal to some angle. Only where that some angle lies in closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That we know. Same way, tan inverse tan of something is equal to some angle. When some angle belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Likewise, cot inverse cot of some angle is equal to some angle. When some angle belongs to open interval 0 to pi. Sec inverse sec some angle is equal to some angle when some angle belongs to closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. Same way, cosec inverse cosec some angle is equal to some angle when some angle belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. That we know. Yeah, yes. So let us use this part. What is given here? Cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. So we need to simplify that form. So cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. That is cos inverse cos of pi plus pi by 6. Yes or no? Now pi plus third quadrant In third quadrant, cos function is negative. So what we get here? Minus cos pi by 6. What is cos inverse minus x? Pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 6. That we know. So that comes out pi minus pi by 6 is nothing but pi by 6. Where is it? Here. If in place of cos, if I take sine, then what happens? See? If I take sine inverse of sine 7 pi by 6, then what happens? That is equal to sine inverse sine pi minus pi plus pi by 6. That is equal to sine inverse minus sine pi by 6. Why? Because third quadrant sine function is negative. Now what is sine inverse minus x? That is minus of sine inverse sine pi by 6. That comes out minus pi by 6. Here. So if you will put command over this standard forms, this one, all these standard forms are here to all, then whatever the equation of this type, you are able to solve easily. Next, see here, very interesting sir. Now see, cos inverse minus 1 by 5, sin inverse minus 1 by 5. See, there is no tabular value. Is it clear? Yes. See, tabular value is not there. Then we need to use standard forms. See, if I take as a theta, then cos inverse theta plus sin inverse theta is given to us. See, we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. When mod x less than or equal to 1. Clear? So here x is equal to minus 1 by pi. So mod x is equal to mod minus 1 by pi is equal to 1 by pi, which is less than 1. So that comes out pi by 2. So what happens? That is equal to cos pi by 2, and that is 0. So option C. In place of cos, they can take sine also. Then sine pi by 2, that comes out 1. Clear? But for this MCQ, here cos inverse minus 1 by 5 plus sine inverse minus 1 by 5 is given. It is not from tabular value. See, whenever particular values are given to us, they are not from tabular. Then we need to use this type of standard forms. In place of sine and cos, sine inverse and cos inverse, one more two standard forms are also there. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, that is also pi by 2. What is condition? X is in R. Same way. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is also pi by 2. What is condition mod x? Mod x is greater than or equal to 1. Is it clear? Yes. Now see, let us see next one. Now see sin inverse sin 7 pi by 6, that already seen. Let us see this one. See. Sine of tan inverse 10 pi by 6. Tan 7 pi by 6. First of all, I would like to solve directly. So, here it comes out pi minus pi by 6. Yes or no? Pi plus pi by 6. In third quadrant, tan function positive. So, what we get here? Tan inverse tan pi by 6, and that comes out pi by 6. And sin pi by 6 is there. And sin pi by 6 comes out 1 by 2 plus cos inverse 7 pi by 3. 2 pi plus pi by 3. So it is in first quadrant. In first quadrant cos function is positive. So that comes out cos pi by 3. Cos inverse cos of pi by 3, and that comes out pi by 3, and cos pi by 3 comes out 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1. So option is C. But if they are going to ask this question in a theoretical part, how to solve this one? Here. Sine of tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6 plus cos of cos inverse cos 7 pi by 3. Yes or no? Yes. Say that is equal to sine of tan inverse tan of pi plus pi by 6 cos of cos inverse cos 2 pi plus pi by 3. Agree with me? Yes. Now tan pi plus 3 here to bracket something, and that is equal to sine of tan inverse of 10 pi by 6 pi plus third quadrant tan function is positive plus cos of cos inverse cos pi by 3. Why? Because of 2 pi plus pi by 3. 2 pi plus first quadrant cos function positive. So that comes out sin pi by 6 plus cos pi by 3. Both are half. So that comes out 1. If they are going to ask some theoretical exam up to month, then we have to see this way step by step. And as far as multiple choice question, directly we can answer it this way. Next, see, solve this equation. See, sin of 2 sin inverse cos A. Now, consider cos A sin inverse cos A. Sin inverse cos A is equal to theta. So cos A is equal to sin theta. Sin of 2 sin inverse cos A, that comes out sin 2 theta, that is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Here. Now sin theta is equal to cos A. So cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta under root 1 minus, yes, cos square A, that is sin square A, and that is sin A. So sin theta is equal to cos A, and cos theta is equal to sin A. So 2 sin A cos A, and that comes out sin 2A. And this is the thing. આ ટાઈપના એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરીએ તો તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે કે આપણી પાસે ત્રિકોણમિતિનું નોલેજ હોવું જરૂરી છે. ફૂલ ફેજમાં સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મ્સ આપણે ખબર હોવા જોઈએ. If all trigonometric standard forms are known to us, then this type of sum is very, very easy for us. Next. See. Same way, very easy. How we solve it? That comes out minus tan inverse 10. 13 pi by 8. How we solve it? Here pi by 8 is that 8 pi 2 pi 16 minus 3 pi by 8. Yes or no? Yes. Now see, that is equal to minus tan inverse fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant 10 negative, so minus 10 3 pi by 8. Yes or no? Yeah. So once again tan inverse minus 6 is equal to minus tan inverse 6. So tan inverse 10 3 pi by 8. Now see, pi by 2 is nothing but 3.14 by 2. Pi by 4, 3.14 by 4. And 3 pi means 9 point something by 8. 9 point something by 8. Of course it is less than pi by 2. So that comes out 3 pi by 8. Why? This angle 3 pi by 8 belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here is a typical sum. So what is the answer? 3 pi by 8. Is it with me? Yes. Let us see next one. Next slide. Find the value of this one. Value of cos of pi by 6 plus cosinus minus half. This is the pi by 6 plus cosinus, that is pi minus cos inverse half. Why? Because cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So that is equal to pi by 6 plus pi minus pi by 3. Yes or no? So can I write pi plus pi by 6 minus pi by 3? Pi plus. Is it clear? Yes. Now cos of this one. Cos of this one is equal to cos pi plus third quadrant. Cos function is negative minus cos. That is minus cos pi by 6 minus pi by 3. Now, a plus formula of cos alpha minus beta, and that is equal to minus of cos pi by 6 cos pi by 3 plus, because cos alpha minus beta, sin pi by 6 sin pi by 3. So what can you say about this one? Minus of, now cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 1 by 4 common, root 3 plus root 3 2 root 3 by 4 root 3 by 2. but minus sign is there. So minus root 3 by 2 is the answer. Clear? So here they are using formula cos alpha minus beta also. Because see, if I take pi by 5 plus pi by 6 minus pi by 3, then such tabular value is not there. So I am not simplifying this one. અને મેં સાદું શું કામ નો આપ્યું? કારણ કે pi by 6 minus pi by 3 લઈએ તો pi by 18 ના ફોર્મમાં આવે LCM લઈએ તો એવી કોઈ ટેબ્યુલર વેલ્યુ નથી. The tabular value લાખવા માટે જે as it is, જે ફોર્મ છે એમ જ ફોર્મ લખવાનું. Okay. So in this way you can solve this example. Next. See. Fine. Value of cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 3. Cot pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 3. Now see here. If I take 2 cot inverse 1 by 3 is given to us. See. Cot pi by 4 minus 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. Can I write it? Why? Because 2 cot inverse 3 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. So that is equal to cot of pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. And that is equal to tan inverse tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 in this way. So what we get? Tan inverse 9 LCM 3 plus 3 9 minus 1 8. So tan inverse 6 by 8, and that is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. But see, here they are using pi by 4 minus. Now cot of pi by 4 minus. See, that is the value of here tan inverse 3 by 4. There. 1 minute. Here is not pi by 4, but pi by 2. So pi by 2, if I take pi by 2, then what comes out? That is equal to tan of tan inverse 3 by 4. Why? Cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So it comes out 3 by 4. So this is the value. When you are in cot of pi by 2 minus 2 cot inverse 3 is there. Then it comes out 3 by 4. So some mistake is there. Let us see next. Yes. See what is given. Both are in terms of tan inverse. See here x by y greater than or equal to 0 condition is given. Tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x minus 1 over 1 plus x y is equal to what? Very simple. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Use that standard form here. So that is equal to tan inverse x by y minus x minus y over x plus y over 1 plus x by y x minus y x plus y. Okay. So that is equal to tan inverse. So x of x plus y minus y of x minus y, y of x plus y plus x of x minus y. Taking answer. So that is equal to x square plus xy. Tan inverse x square plus xy. Here minus xy get cancelled, plus y square. In denominator quantity, xy plus y square. X square minus xy. Same way. Y square plus x square. And that is equal to tan inverse 1. And what is tan inverse 1? Is nothing but pi by 4. So this one is the answer. See? Let us see next one. See. If x is equal to 1 by 3, then find out this value. Interesting question. So x बराबर 1 by 3 हुई तो आनी कीमत मेरे here. See. X is equal to 1 by 3. So mod x is equal to 1 by 3 less than 1. So 2 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x plus cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Replace that as a pi by 2 because x is equal to 1 by 3 is less than 1. So that comes out pi by 2 plus cos inverse x. Now cos of cos pi by 2. So that is what is given to us? Cos of pi by 2 plus cos inverse x. Here we want this value, and therefore this is equal to directly that thing is equal to this one. And what is cos pi by 2 plus sin of cos inverse x? Pi by 2 plus which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant cos function is negative. So minus sign is there. Now sin of cos inverse x is there. So that is sin inverse under root 1 minus x square. And that we know standard forms. So minus under root 1 minus x square. So minus under root 1 minus 1 by 9. So minus of 8 by 9. So minus root 8 by 9. Yes, of course, that is given to us. Minus root 8 by 9. Or if we simplify, what we get? 2 root 2 by 3 also. In place of this option, they can put this option also. Clear? Yes. Let us see next one. See here. Cos inverse x by 5 plus cosec inverse pi by 4 is equal to pi by 2 is given. Clear? Then find the value of x. Cosec inverse is given to us pi by 2. So kinetic cos inverse x by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus cosec inverse pi by 4. Yes. And see, we know that. And therefore cos inverse x by 5. Because of, we know that cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So sec inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus. Yes, what? Pi by 2 minus cosec inverse x, and condition is mod x greater than 1, x is equal to pi by 4 is greater than 1. So that is equal to sec inverse pi by 4. And we know that. Guess what? Cos inverse x by 5 is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5, because we already proved this form. Sec inverse 1 by x is equal to cos inverse x also. is equal to 4 by 5. So we get x is equal to 4. So which root is option? Option B is there. The cos inverse x by 5 plus cosec inverse 5 by 4 is equal to pi by 2. Then this one. Okay? Yes. Next one. Sorry. See. Value of cot of cosec inverse 5 by 3 is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. Tan inverse 2 by 3 is given. Convert in terms of cot. Sorry, sec is given to us. This tan inverse is given to us. Tan inverse 2 by 3. Cosec inverse 5 by 3. And cot of that thing is that thing we want. Now see, cosec inverse 5 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Now see, if there is no any other form, sec inverse is converted in terms of cosec inverse converted in terms of sec inverse, tan inverse converted in terms of cot inverse. But see, here it is given in terms of tan inverse, here it is given in terms of cosec inverse. Can I convert it into sine inverse 3 by 5 plus tan inverse 2 by 3? Now hello વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, last time we were discussing, previously પ્રયાસમ જોઈ રહ્યા હતા. Cot of cosec inverse 5 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Now convert in terms of sine inverse 3 by 5. Already tan inverse 2 by 3 is given to us. Convert in terms of tan inverse 3 by 5 over under root 1 minus 9 by 25 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Yes or no? That is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Yes or no? Directly you can see that. So that is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, 1 minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3. That is equal to tan inverse 9 plus 8, 12 minus 6, tan inverse 17 by 6. Yeah. Now that is equal to cot inverse 6 by 17. So cot of cot inverse. So this is the simplification of this part only. And therefore cot of cot inverse 6 by 17 is equal to 6 by 17. So answer is B here. Yes, let us see. Next, see. We want value of this one, cos tan 1 by 2 cos inverse root 5 by 3. Now see dear friends, that is equal to, let us consider cos inverse 1 root 5 by 3 is equal to theta. So root 5 by 3 is equal to cos theta. Now all this comes out theta by 2. So tan of theta by 2, and that is equal to what we know, 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta, and that is equal to under root 1 minus cos theta root 5 by 3 over 1 plus root 5 by 3. स्क्वायर रूट वगैरह पहला फाइंड कर लें. चलो स्क्वायर रूट लखવાની જરૂર નથી, એમસીક્યુ સોલ્વ કરીએ. ડાયરેક્ટલી પહેલા આ વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ. 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus root 5 by 3, 1 plus root 5 by 3, 3 minus root 5 over 3 plus root 5. Rationalize कर लिए. 3 minus root 5, 3 minus root 5 over 9 minus 5, that is 9 minus 2 root 5 plus 5 over 4. A minus B whole square, 9. Sorry, 6 is there. See, not only 2 is there. See, that is equal to 3 minus root 5 whole square by 4. Clear? Now, that thing is given to us and square root of this thing, and therefore tan theta by 2 is equal to square root of 3 minus root 5 whole square by 4. That comes out 3 minus root 5 by 2. See, option B is there. See, so this is the answer. Next, see, what is given? If 0 less than x less than 1, then tan inverse of under root 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square of whatever may be. Here 0 less than x less than 1 is given to us. We can take x is equal to sin theta also. We can take x is equal to cos theta also. Any one of them we can take it. Let us consider x is equal to sin theta. So under root 1 minus x square over 1 plus x. What we are taking? X is equal to sin theta. Wait a minute. ये मैंने क्यों कॉल पड़ी कि x is equal to sin theta આપણે લેવા જોઈએ? કારણ કે 1 minus x કરશે તો 1 minus sin square theta or 1 minus cos square theta possible છે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મ પ્રમાણે. તો under root 1 minus sin square theta over 1 plus sin theta, so under root cos square theta, that is cos theta 0 less than x less than 1 over 1 plus sin theta. Clear? But see, sin theta is equal to given to us. So we want in terms of outside tan inverse is given to us. Now tan inverse cos theta over 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta over 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to 1 minus sin theta cos square theta, but cos get cancelled over cos theta. This is that. So that only the simplification of this one, but here tan inverse x is given to us. So now if I replace value of x, so here what we get? 1 minus x over under root 1 minus x square. But this is not the case from anywhere. So what we have to do? Directly that is equal to, if I take that is equal to theta, then what happens? See, for 1 minute. You can take any particular value also. If I take x is equal to 1, then tan inverse 0 by 0, x is equal to 1. So here we get 0. Tan inverse 1 by 2 x is equal to 0. But here we get 0. Here also we get 0. That means that is possible for all values. So what we have to do? Next, if we convert in terms of sine or cos, then here also we can see that that comes out 1 minus x over under root 1 minus x square. From this to this we get this thing. But this is not the case from here. So, if I take cos theta, then what we get here? Under root, that means here we get 1 plus cos theta, that is sin theta over 1 plus cos theta. If I take x is equal to cos, then sin then it not works. Let us consider x is equal to cos theta. Let me explain here. So, under root 1 minus x square over 1 plus x. Under root 1 minus cos square theta over 1 plus cos theta. So that comes out sin theta over 1 plus cos theta. So that is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cos square theta by 2. So that get cancelled. What we get here? Tan theta by 2. Okay, this is the value of this thing. So now tan inverse of tan theta by, and that comes out theta by, that is equal to 1 by 2. And what we are taking? X is equal to cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse x. So that comes out 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So which one? Option is second. Clear? That means here 1 minus x square is given to us. There are two possibilities. Either x is equal to sin theta or x is equal to cos theta. If I take x is equal to sin theta, then we get this form. But nowhere that one is given to us. So better in place of x is equal to sin theta, I am taking x is equal to cos theta. So we get this form. We get out tan theta by 2. Tan inverse is that. So tan inverse of tan theta by 2, that is theta by 2. That comes out 1 by 2 cos inverse. Option B. Next, now see here. What is given? Cos of 2 tan inverse half is equal to, then find the value of it. 2 tan inverse x is given to us. So suppose that tan inverse x is equal to directly, let us consider it. So x is equal to tan theta is there. So what we get here? Here we get cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos 2 theta means what? 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 by 2. We know that the standard form of cos 2 theta in terms of tan, because here as per assumption x is in terms of tan, so apply cos 2 theta in terms of tan. So what we get? 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square is equal to 1 by 2, and therefore 2 minus 2x square is equal to 1 plus x square. So 1 is equal to 3x square. 1 is taken in 2x square is taken in 8. So x square is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. But see, among here 1 by root 3 is given to us. Either any one of them is there. So here option A is there. Okay. Next. See. Find the value of tan inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 5 by 13 is equal to 1. Now see. Convert both in terms of tan. Then apply formula of tan alpha plus beta. Now see, sin inverse in terms of tan. Tan inverse 3 by 5 over under root 1 minus 9 by 25. That comes out tan inverse 3 by 4. Agree with me? Yes. Now cos that is equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus 25 by 169 over 5 by 30. Here. So that is equal to what? 144. That comes out 5 by 12 by 5. So tan inverse they put in place of this one. So tan of, if I call this one as the alpha, this alpha, that is sin inverse is this one is we get this form beta, cos inverse this is alpha and this is beta. Then alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. That is equal to alpha, and alpha in terms of tan, beta in terms of tan. So what we get? Tan of tan inverse, tan alpha, this implies tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4, and this implies tan beta is equal to 12 by 5. So 3 by 4 plus 12 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 4, 12 by 5. 50, 48, 20, minus 36, 3, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 63, minus 36, 20, 36, minus 16. 63 by minus 16 is there? Yes. Of course, option C. We get in this way. See, interesting thing is that here tan is given, sin inverse and cos inverse. અહીં સુધી જેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન સોલ્વ કર્યા તમે જોજો. Majority if we convert in terms of tan inverse then it is very easy. જે ફોર્મ આપેલું હોય sin હોય cos હોય sec હોય cosec હોય, convert in terms of tan. So if alpha and beta, then alpha in terms of tan, beta in terms of tan, and alpha plus beta apply formula replace the value. Clear? So it is very easy for us. Next thing, sin inverse x by 5 plus cosec inverse 5 by 4. So let us consider here sin inverse x by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus cosec inverse pi by 4. So that is sec inverse pi by 4. That is equal to cos inverse pi by 4. And that is equal to sin inverse 1 minus 25 by 16. So that comes out sin inverse. So this is 4 by 5. Cos inverse 4 by 5. Some mistake is there. That is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5. And that is equal to sin inverse under root 1 minus 16 by 25. That is sin inverse 3 by 5. So sin inverse x by 5 is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5. So this implies x by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. And this implies x is equal to 3. Where is that? Here. Option C is that. Here? Yes. Next, see here. Very interesting. See. Sin inverse cos of sin inverse x. Cos inverse sin of cos inverse x. Now see here. Sine inverse. Cos of sine inverse. Can I write cos inverse 1 minus x square? Yes. Plus cos inverse sine. Can I write here sine inverse under root 1 minus x square? Here. So that is equal to sine inverse under root 1 minus x square plus cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. Now sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to pi by 2. So this is done. That is equal to pi by 2 also. Yes. Next. See. Simplify this. Cot inverse under root 1 minus sin x, but here condition is given 0 less than x less than pi by 2. So start with only this part. See, directly if we divide by 1 minus root sin x, then what we get? So here what we get? 1 plus under root 1 plus sin x over 1 minus sin x. 1 minus under root 1 plus sin x over 1 minus sin x. Simplification is that. Now, only simplify this one. 1 plus sin x over 1 minus sin x. Can I write 1 minus cos pi by 2 plus x over 1 minus 1 plus cos pi by 2 plus x? साइन ने क्या फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया cos में पर અહીંયા જો ન્યુમરેટર માં માઈનસ સાઇન આવે then it is converted in terms of sin and this one is converted in terms of cos, so ultimately we get in terms of tan. This is reason why we are using this one. If here 1 minus sin x over 1 plus cos x is there, then use 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x. Clear? Now 2 sin square pi by 2 plus x by 2 over 2 cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2. So what we get here? Tan square pi by 4 plus x by 2. But that is in square root. So if we take square root, what we get? Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So that is equal to 1 plus tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, 1 minus tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. But see, here generally 1 is a tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, 1 minus tan pi by 4. Because it is 1, so we can replace it. Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Is the formula tan pi by 4 plus pi by 4 plus x by 2. That is tan pi by 2 plus x by 2. And see, that is minus cot x by 2. Pi by 2 is second quarter. Now see, ultimately that comes out minus cot x by 2. So cot inverse minus cot x by 2. And what is cot inverse minus x? Pi minus cot inverse. So pi minus x by 2. See? Option B is there. Pi minus x by 2. In this way we can solve this type of question. Next. Now see. What is given? If sin inverse 1 by x is equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by 7 plus cos inverse 3 by 5, then find value of x. Here it is given in terms of tan. So better to convert in terms of sin. Let me see. See? 2 tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7, 1 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7. So that is tan inverse 7 plus 7, 49 minus 1. So tan inverse 14 by 48. So tan inverse 7 by 24. Clear? That is in terms of this thing. Now cos inverse 3 by 5 is given. Let us convert tan inverse to cos inverse or sin inverse. Let us convert. No problem. Sin inverse 7 by 24 over under root 1 plus 7 by 24 whole square. Okay? Yes. So that is equal to sin inverse 7 by, let me see, 576 plus 49. 576 plus 49, that comes out 625, that is 25. Yes or no? Sin inverse 7 by 5, 25. Clear? So, but here cos inverse 3 by 5 is given to us, and here sin inverse 1 by x is given to us. So, cos inverse also 1 minute. First of all, also convert in terms of tan inverse, all these things in tan inverse, then we are going to see the part. So, let me see here. See. Tan inverse 7 by 24 is that is first one. Now convert cos inverse 3 by 5. Cos inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus 9 by 25 over 3 by 5. And that comes out tan inverse 4 by 3. What? Because what we get here? 16 by 25. 4 by 5, that is 4 by 3. Now add these two numbers, so that is equal to tan inverse 7 by 24 plus 4 by 3 over 1 minus 7 by 24, 4 by 3. That is equal to tan inverse. Tan inverse 21, 4 4 the 16, 1 carry 4 to Z 96 over 24 3 Z 24 4 3 Z 12, 1 carry 3 to the 6 72 minus 1 D, that is 6 plus 1 7, 9 plus 2 11, 42 minus 28. 40. See, now it is in terms of tan. On left hand side, sin inverse. So tan inverse to sin. 117 by 14 over under 1 plus 117 by 14 whole square. That is equal to sin inverse 117 by 117 whole square plus 14 whole square. That is equal to root 1385. Let me see option. See. Is that is equal to 117 over sin inverse 117 over this thing. But that should be tan inverse x upon under root 1 plus x square. Tan inverse is given to us. Tan inverse to sin inverse. Sin inverse x upon under root this thing is that. 1 minute, let me see. 125 whole square. But somewhere something is there. 117 plus 1330. 72 minus 28. Is 44, not 40. Yes. 4 3 are 12, 1 carry 3 to the 6, 1 minus 28. 7 to the 21, 96. 21 plus 96, 117. And 42, this one is there. Now, so what happens in square? 117 plus 44. Tan inverse. Now see, 2 tan inverse 1 by 7. Let me see once again. 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. That is equal to tan inverse 1 minus 1 by 7. Of course, that is equal to 7 by 24. Yeah, 4 to the 40. 7 plus 7, 40. Minus 48, 7 by 24. Cos inverse 3 by 4, that is cos inverse 4 by 3. 7 by 24 plus 4 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 24 plus into 4 by 3. 24 into 3 is 7 to the 21, 96, 7 to the 22. Minus 7 for the 28, 114 over this thing. So that is in terms of tan inverse. If we convert in terms of sin inverse, then 14 square 117 into 117 plus 44 into 44. 15625. Here. Yes. Now see. And now 125 into 125. That is 125. Yes. See. That is equal to sin inverse 117 125. On left hand side, sin inverse 1 by x is that sin inverse 117 over 125. So x is equal to 125 over 117. Okay. So where is this option? Option says that 125 over 117. Next, see here. Now see, very interesting. Cos alpha is given and beta is given. We want alpha minus beta. Now, alpha is equal to alpha minus beta we want. Alpha is cos inverse 4 by 5 minus tan inverse 2 by 3. Convert in terms of tan inverse under root 1 minus 16 by 25 over 4 by 5 minus tan inverse 2 by 3. Now that comes out tan inverse. Here we get 9 by 20, well, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus tan inverse 2 by 3. So tan inverse 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 over 1 plus 3 by 4, 2 by 3. So that is equal to tan inverse 9 minus 8, 4, 3 is 12 plus 6. 4 is 12 plus 6. So tan inverse 1 by 18. Yes. Option B is there. See, tan inverse 1 by 18. Yeah. Next one. Yeah, see. It is a tabular form. Matching calculations. Now see. Here it is given tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 4. All these things we have to calculate. See. First of all, first A1. Tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Tan inverse, there is no need to write to tan inverse. Here we get 7. 4 plus 3, table LCM, 12 minus 1, that is 11. So, this goes to C. Okay. Now, here, third one, let us see here, third one. See, whenever matching type is there, then first of all try to solve minimized questions. So here it is cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So third, tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. And this one comes out sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta, or sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, mod x less than or equal to 1, x is equal to minus half, so mod x is half less than 1. So pi by 4 plus pi by 2. So here 4 carry pi plus 2 pi. So 3 pi by 4. So 3 to D. 3 to D, 1 to C. 1 to C, 3 to D. 1 to H. 1 to C, 3 to D. See, 1 to C. 3 to D. So we need to solve one more thing. Now tan inverse 2 pi by 5. 5 by 5. Fifth one. Fourth one. Can I write 2 tan inverse 5 is equal to tan inverse 5 by 12 as it is. Can I write tan inverse 5 plus tan inverse 5 plus 5 over 1 minus 5 into 5? Why? Because here you can write tan inverse 5 plus tan inverse 5. Tan inverse x plus y, x into y is equal to 5 into 5, 25 greater than 1, so pi plus. So that is equal to pi plus tan inverse 10 by minus 24. So pi minus tan inverse 5 by 12. And pi by 12 is given to us, so that gets cancelled, that is equal to pi only. So 4 to B. Now see, 4 to B, 1 to C, 3 to D is that, so there is no need to solve another question. Directly we get the answer B. Matching paper, only minimum we have to see only 2 parts, maximum 3 parts. Then it is very easy to see for us. બધા જ પાર્ટ સોલ્વ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. એના 2-3 પાર્ટ સોલ્વ કરવાના એટલે આપણું કામ થઈ જાય. Yes. Now see next one. See. Sin inverse minus 2, sin inverse likewise that is given to us. Then what is that? See. Sin inverse 1 minus x is it minus 2 sin inverse x. So that is equal to, now see, sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now, sine minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x. So pi by 2 plus sine inverse x plus sine inverse x, or pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Yes, sine inverse x, 2 sine inverse x. So pi by 2 plus sine inverse x, so we can't do that thing. But see, here this form is given to us. Let us take sine directly. So in this way is given to us. If I take sine of 1/3, then x is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x. That is equal to cos of 2 sine inverse x. Why? Because of, see, sine inverse 1 minus x is equal to, sorry, this comes out 1 minus x. Okay. Sine inverse 1 minus x is equal to, and therefore 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x is equal to. Now, 2 sine inverse x. So sine inverse x is equal to alpha. So sine cos 2 alpha. Cos 2 alpha. 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. Clear? So that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square 2 sine inverse x. Okay, cos 2 alpha is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. So sine inverse x is equal to, let me take substitution directly, then we are going to write it. Then it is very easy for substitution. Okay. Sine inverse x is equal to alpha. So x is equal to sine alpha for right hand side. So what we get? Cos 2 alpha. So 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. So what we get? 1 minus x square. Which one? So cos of 2 sine inverse x, what order will be that existing? 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x square. So minus x is equal to minus x square. And therefore x square minus x is equal to 0. X is equal to x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. But that is given to us that x is equal to 0. So this part is there. Clear? Yeah. Next slide. Now see. The number of values of x satisfying this condition. Let's solve the issue. How to see that thing? See. Tan inverse x plus 1 plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse x minus 1 is equal to tan inverse 3. Simplify this. See. Tan inverse first x plus 1 plus x minus 1 over 1 minus x plus 1 x minus 1 plus tan inverse x. First and last term alpha second. Am I added that? So that comes out tan inverse 2x here. Yes or no? Over 1 minus x square minus 1. So that comes out 2 minus x square plus tan inverse x. So once again that is equal to, see, x plus 1 plus x minus 1. 1 minus x plus 1, x minus 1. So that is x square minus 1. So 1 minus x square is okay in terms of this one. So that is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 2 minus x square plus x over 1 minus 2x upon 2 minus x square into x. That is equal to 2x plus x into 2 minus x square over 2 minus x square minus 2x square. So that is equal to 4x minus x square over 2 minus 3x square. And that is tan inverse of, and that is equal to tan inverse 3x. So that is equal to 3x. So 4x minus x square is equal to 3 to the 6x minus 9x cube. So 9x cube minus x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Sorry, 6x is equal to 0. Yes or no? 9x cube minus x square plus 2x. If we go in this side, then here 4x is there. So minus 2x is equal to 0. X common. 9x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Make delta find कर लो. 1 minus 4 a 9 c minus 2 9 to the 18 what will be greater than 0. Negative value આવશે 2 અને આ 3. So solution comes out how many 3. અહીંથી ક્યુબિક ઇક્વેશન તો છે પણ આપણે એને ક્વોડ્રેટિકમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવા કારણ કે જો ડેલ્ટા લેસ ધેન 0 આવે તો રિયલ રૂટ્સ ના લાઈન ડેલ્ટા કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી નાખો that is greater than 0 that means two distinct real roots and one more root x is equal to 0 is there. So answer is 3. Next. Okay. Cot inverse x plus cot inverse y plus cot inverse z is equal to pi by 2. Then x plus y plus z. Cot inverse x is equal to alpha. Cot inverse y is equal to beta. Cot inverse z is equal to gamma. So x is equal to cos alpha, cot alpha, y is equal to cot beta, z is equal to cot gamma. Clear? Now here what we get? Here we get alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2 minus gamma. Tan equal to very easy thing. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to 10 pi by 2 minus gamma. The formula આવશે tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta is equal to cot gamma. That is equal to 1 upon tan gamma. So tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma, cross multiplication, tan beta, tan gamma is equal to 1 minus tan alpha, tan beta. So what we get? Now see, so we get tan alpha, tan beta plus tan beta, tan gamma, tan alpha is equal to 1. Now cot alpha, that is 1 upon x into 1 upon y, 1 upon y into 1 upon z, 1 upon z into 1 upon x is equal to 1. So take x, y, z LCM. X, y, z LCM. What we get here? Yes. Here we get z plus x plus y is equal to 1. So x plus y plus z is equal to x, y, z. X plus y plus z is equal to x, y, z. Then what we want? That is equal to x, y, z. Clear? Next. Let's see that is simple question. Sine inverse A is equal to tan alpha, B is equal to tan beta. So what we get here? Sine inverse sine 2A, that is 2A, and that comes out sine inverse of sine 2 beta. So A is equal to tan alpha and that tan beta. Clear? B is equal to tan beta. So 2 alpha plus 2 beta. So 2 of tan alpha plus tan beta. So that comes out 2 of A plus B. A plus B, not tan alpha tan beta. A is equal to tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. Sorry, 1 minute. See. Okay. Then this comes out sine inverse sine 2 alpha plus sine inverse sine 2 beta. Clear? So here 2 alpha plus 2 beta. 2 common. Alpha means tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. So 2 times tan inverse A plus B over 1 minus A. And that is equal to 2 tan inverse H. That is equal to 2 tan inverse H. 2 cancel, tan inverse cancel. So X is equal to A plus B over 1 minus A. So dear friend, this completes the chapter number 2. Next time we are going to see chapter number 30, probability from part 2. બીજી વખત આપણે સંભાવના ચેપ્ટર સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું. ચેપ્ટર 1 અને ચેપ્ટર 2 કમ્પ્લીટ. થેન્ક યુ ડિયર ફ્રેન્ડ્સ.